Our learning target for phonics today is I can understand the meaning of what a suffix is and read and write words with ish, I-S-H. Ish means having quality of. I like to think of it as something is a little bit that way if there's ish on the end. So if we look here at the base word, for foolish, the base word is fool. So if somebody is being foolish, they're being a little bit like a fool. This word is selfish. The word selfish means you are a little bit into yourself or a little bit like yourself. So I like to think of ish as a little bit that way about whatever the base word is. So you're going to practice it a little bit. So you're going to add the suffix ish at the end of the words and then read them to yourself. So let's read the base words. My turn, your turn. Small, child, young, yellow. So you're going to go here, put the cursor, and then add the suffix ish and then read it. Smallish. When you're done, press the X and press the blue turn in button.